Bakkah Institute for Arabic Studies 5 Steps to Learn Arabic. If you are a complete beginner, here are 5 steps to learn Arabic. First step: know the dialect that must be learned. There are many forms of the Arabic language throughout the world. In fact, modern Standard Arabic is the most widely understood version of the language. There are 22 Arab countries where Fusha is widely spread, and it is an official language. Of course, it is the language of the Quran, as it is one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations. Therefore, it might be a good start for new learners. Second step: learn Arabic vocabulary and how to make sentences. You must learn a lot of Arabic vocabulary through Arabic books at the first levels, and there are many books that contain a lot of pictures and words in Arabic, and the Bakkah Institute for Arabic Studies will help you to learn Arabic vocabulary and how to use it in simple sentences first through its distinguished book. For the introductory level, it will also help you to read and understand the text, and you can find the exact pronunciation of each letter in Bakkah Institute for Arabic Studies through Arab teachers, and the letters will be pronounced like the Arabs. Third step: find an extension course yourself. Instructive or classified courses are the ones you can find in any school's curriculum. Bakkah Institute offers you guided courses that will help you learn Arabic easily and with fun. Fourth step: find a language partner to practice Arabic. A language partner is someone who can help you learn the ins and outs of a language just by speaking. This is what the teachers of the Bakkah Institute for Arabic Studies do. All the teachers in the institute are friends of our students and always practice the language with them. Therefore, students progress satisfactorily in our institute. Fifth step: you should speak and practice Arabic every day. You should focus on speaking Arabic more and more with each day you advance. As soon as you start, you can send voice messages to your teacher at Bakkah Institute and he will correct those messages. You can hear the news in Arabic, summarize it for your teacher in the classroom, and discuss it with him. Don't waste your time anymore and learn Arabic at Bakkah Institute for Arabic Studies. Bakkah Institute for Arabic Studies. Contact us.